Chapter 5 verse 14. Ephesians 5 verse 14. Run there quickly. The Lord said, I am raising a new generation. Generation that will represent me. Generation that will stand and they will see Jesus through them. Generation that will stand and when they speak, the gates of hell will tremble. God is raising firebrand Christians. Firebrand youth. God is raising a new generation. Generation that will carry the Holy Ghost and no carnality. Generation that will have the Holy Spirit in them. Not generation of Yahoo. Our youth in the street, they are finished because of Yahoo. Yes, I'm gone because of hookup. Oh my God. There is tears in heaven. The rest that youth are misleading themselves. The rest that youth are going astray. There is cry. There are many evangelists here that are wasting their time. There are many prophets here that are wasting their time. It's not just all about your enemies, your enemies, your enemies, your enemies. It is time for you to seek God for yourself. It is time for you to embrace this Jesus. It is time for you to know him for who he is. It is time for your dragon to rise. Stop sleeping and stop slumbering. Go back to your secret place. Go back to your altar. Go before the Lord and seek his presence. Then you will find him. We have come to draw. Before I will pray. Yes, sir. Wherefore he said,
awake thou that sleepest,
awake thou that sleepest,
and arise from the dead,
and arise from the one from the dead,
and Christ shall give thee light.
And Christ shall give thee light. Somebody say, I receive light.
I receive light.
We're International Prophetic Fire Conference. I've come to put fire inside of you. Because once your spiritual life is balanced, once your spiritual life is okay, life will enter your finances. Life will enter your marriage. Your head will correspond. No bastard devil will come to oppress you. But you need to awake for this revival to begin. Number one, go back to your secret place. It pains the heart of God that many Christians don't have time for God anymore. They hardly have time for God. It's just their own, my own. Let me showcase myself. Go back to your altar. There is a lot that God wants to do with you in this world. There is a lot that God wants to do through you in this world. If you fail God, what a tragedy.